Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today I've got something truly exciting to share with you all. Imagine a compact camping cot magically transforming into a spacious SUV camper bed. Yes, you heard that right. Get ready to be amazed as I unveil this genius invention. Welcome back to Dee's Roads. I'm Dee. Today, we're diving into the world of multitasking outdoor equipment. This incredible camping cot that seamlessly converts into a cozy camper bed for your SUV. Let's get to it. One of the biggest challenges while camping is dealing with a limited space in your SUV car camping setup, especially when it comes to sleeping arrangements. Traditional beds can be bulky and a hassle to set up inside your vehicle. But fear not, because I've found the ultimate solution to this common camping dilemma. Let me walk you through the magic of this transforming nature hike camping cot with just a few simple steps. This cot unfolds out of this bag that is around a little over 18 inches, or right around 18 inches in height and about 6.5 inches wide, and reshapes itself into a comfortable and efficient camper bed. The measurements are ideal for pretty much any SUV, so say goodbye to the struggles of awkward sleeping setups, a more enjoyable outdoor experience. And here comes the moment we've all been waiting for, the final transformation. Watch as the camping cot seamlessly integrates into the back of the SUV. Take a look at that. It fits perfectly inside my Hyundai Santa Fe Sangria, creating a cozy and inviting sleeping space that is perfect for your outdoor adventures. And I even have space under the cot to store these bins and anything similar to that size. This is what I use as my kitchen sink. I could also slide this right under as well, freeing up so much space. It's truly a game changer in the world of camping gear, and this will absolutely be perfect after I remove 2 seats out of my back row and some of this cargo area down here to allow for more space. You see where I'm going here? The tear resistant and breathable materials also help out to block moisture and coldness, I guess heat maybe too, huh? And if I want to sleep under the stars, I can easily remove this, take it out, and put it outdoors. This weighs less than 5 pounds, if I haven't mentioned that. I can easily remove and place the Nature Hike Green Wild camping cot outdoors without having to worry about messing up the cot. It's made with aviation grade 7075 aluminum alloy. It's anti-rust, anti-corrosion, and anti-slip. I don't know if you saw, I don't know if I recorded, I don't remember, but me getting into this thing, it didn't slip at all, and I have nothing else supporting it underneath here. There we go. It also supports up to 330 pounds, so I got about 130 pounds to go. So this innovative camping cot not only provides a comfortable place to rest during your outdoor escapades, but also solves the challenge of limited space. With its dual functionality, I can now enjoy a good night's sleep wherever my travels take me. If you are as excited about this transforming camping cot as I am, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned next week when I reveal my setup after removing 2 of the 3 back row seats out of my Hyundai Santa Fe. And don't forget to share your own camping transformation experiences in the comments below. Happy car camping and safe travels. I will see you all next time. Bye.